This module will guide you through preparing for your virtual appointment's Grin Scans and provide instructions and essential tips for capturing the best scans of your teeth for your care team. Step 1. Prepare your phone and GrinScope. Ensure your phone is fully charged or has sufficient battery for the scan. If a Wi-Fi connection is available, ensure you're connected to it. The app and scans will work fine without Wi-Fi. However, the connection speeds up the upload time. Turn the brightness on your mobile device up for optimal scanning. Open the Grin app on your phone and log into your account. Grab your GrinScope and ensure it's clean and dry. Wipe it with a soft, dry cloth to remove any water or residue. Securely attach the GrinScope to your mobile device camera, ensuring the alignment is centered on the lens. Tighten the strap to attach the scope securely to your mobile device. In most cases, you should be able to fit the scope strap over your phone's case. In some cases, you may need to remove your phone case for better alignment. If you are using an iPhone, for example, it is always recommended to place the strap buckle on the top side of the camera, aligned with the edge of the phone. Hold the phone horizontally with the camera lens area on the higher side. Step 2. Set up your scan. In the app, tap on the camera icon in the bottom left-hand side of the chat. Click on the Scan Mode button to start the scan process. Depending on your treatment, you will be prompted to take your scan at a specific frequency. If you are in aligner treatment, you will be prompted to take 2 scans, one with your aligners in and one with them out. Only one scan is typically required if you are in a fixed appliance. Once ready, click the blue Start button and follow the instructions. Step 3. Position yourself correctly. Stand or sit in front of a mirror to make it easier to guide your phone. Be sure to turn on your sound to hear the audio instructions. Turn your phone horizontally, open your mouth wide, and insert the GrinScope into it, positioning it to fit comfortably with your lips wrapped over the exterior of the scope. The camera lens will capture your teeth and gums. Make sure the picture is clear, sharp, and focused. If you notice any fog or debris on the camera lens, please clean it before you scan. Step 4. Start the scan. Hit the Start Recording button and slowly and steadily move the scope to capture all angles of your mouth. Follow the on-screen guide and audio prompts, which show which areas of your mouth to focus on, and ensure you capture those for the best results. Tips. The camera should be held straight on for the front teeth, rotated from side to side for side views, tilted downward for the lower arch, and tilted upward for the upper arch. Make sure to try and get the scope at 90-degree angles for those teeth surfaces as much as possible. Step 5. Check and submit your scan. Review the scan preview to ensure it's clear and you've captured all necessary areas. You can retake the scan if the video is blurry for the best quality. Once you're happy with the scan, click Submit in the app to send it to your doctor. Make sure to leave the app open and stay connected while the scan is uploading. The scan will be uploaded into your doctor's portal within seconds, and they will be notified instantly of it and any messages you have sent with it. After the scan is sent, you can also use the app to ask questions or message your doctor. Grin tip. Remember, clear and complete scans help your doctor monitor your progress more effectively. If you are ever unsure, don't hesitate to retake the scan or ask your doctor for feedback. Grin has plenty of tutorials for training purposes to help you capture optimal self-scans of your teeth. Happy scanning!